Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hello my friends, and welcome to my tutorial in which I'm going to show you how I play We Got the Beat by the all-girl group The Go-Go's from 1981. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G, and we're going to start the song by simply going to the 5th fret on the E string and playing an A note like this. Now I'm playing this with a guitar pick so I can get that pick bass sound I'm hearing on the record, and I'm going to go down up like that. We'll play that one note for about 4 measures, and then we'll go into the verse bass line, which sounds something like this. We're going to play that by starting on the 5th fret on the E string, the 7th fret on the A string, the 5th fret on the D string, to the 7th fret, back to the 5th fret, and then back to the 7th fret on the A string. So that's we'll play that for the verses. Next is the chorus, and for the lead into the chorus we'll play that A note at the 5th fret, and that was for 2 measures, and then we'll play this. And then we're back to our A note here. So we started at the 5th fret on the A string, 1, 2, 3, 4, the D string 5th fret, the A string the 8th fret, and that was 5 strikes, and the same thing at fret 8 on the E string, and then we'll go back to our A note and play this. Getting ready for the next verse. The next thing is the bridge. For the bridge, we'll start here at the 5th fret on the E string, and then we'll go starting here at the 5th fret on the E string, then we'll go to the A string, fret 7, the D string, fret 5, and the D string, fret 7. So that's 5, 7, 5, 7. We'll do that 4 times. Then we'll move the whole thing up by 2 frets and play. And we'll do that 4 times as well. Then we'll go back into our normal bass line. So the entire bridge is Now the only thing left is that we'll need to go to the 7th fret on the A string and play this. And then we'll go back into the main groove. And we'll do that to carry the song out. Well, alright my friends, that's all we need to know in order to play We Got the Beat by the Go-Go's on bass guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.